Crude oil continues to recover. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by FXEmpire, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The West Texas Intermediate crude oil market has rallied a bit during the early hours on Thursday as we continue to see a little bit of a recovery. This does make a certain amount of sense because, quite frankly, there's a hurricane in the Gulf of Mexico, and that is going to affect production. Furthermore, it was a little oversold as suddenly we saw a 4% drop earlier in the week out of the blue. So I think at this point we are going to continue to see short-term pullbacks be bought into. From a technical analysis perspective, I look at the $71.50 level as a potential support level due to the fact that it has been both support and resistance in the past. In general, I have no interest in shorting this market, and I recognize that it is going to be noisy, but I think the buyers are most certainly going to be more aggressive than the sellers. The Brent market looks very much the same as we are dancing around the highs of the previous session. And I think at this point, short-term pullbacks will continue to find plenty of buyers that people will be more than willing to join with. The $75.50 level underneath is an area that we have seen resistance and support at both directions, and I think ultimately the market memory in general is going to continue to be a major factor here. I think that Brent markets could very easily get back to the $80 level, but it may take some time to get there. The recent pullback that we have seen in both Brent and WTI, although brutal, when you look at it through the perspective of the recent rally, it's pretty normal ebb and flows of market participants. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.